Hi Scorpios, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, if you've been following my page, you would know how I do this. So, first I'll be looking at the current situation, and then, basis the current situation, we'll be looking at the outcome in the next 15 days. So, a tip for you if you feel, just to know if this reading is resonating with you or not, just see if the first 15 days are, just see if the first situation that I pick up on is resonating with you, the current situation. If that situation resonates, then pretty much the outcome will also. And I will end it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe for you. So you can check that out as well. Okay. So let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Scorpios. Current situation for Scorpio. Six of Cups. The Hermit. Page of Swords. The Star. You're looking for something that brings respite to you. Okay, you might be missing your childhood at this point somehow, I feel. Like when there were no pressures, when there was nobody irritating you, you might be missing that time or something, is what I pick. I also feel somewhere you want to be alone, like you're not feeling nice about the whole thing. I also sense that you might be having some arguments with people. At this stage, I feel you're looking for your calling, like, as in, what is it that makes me happy? Like, what should I do so that I feel good? And why don't I just feel connected at this point? Okay, and I feel that it's responsibilities or whatever. It's just irritating your mind a lot. And you might be in the zone of wanting to fight with someone, but you probably are not doing it. Maybe you're trying to calm yourself as much as you can. But yeah, it's taking a toll on you. But somehow you're being asked to fight for something. When I say fight for something, it's basically fight for what you want to do. And if you don't do that, then it's totally your call. I see someone giving you a gift of sorts, which probably you're not sure if you can take it right now or something. Like maybe someone's giving you some advice or something, and you're not sure if you can take that advice. And you're just in a complicated state of mind. That's what I'm seeing. When I say complicated, it's basically like you don't know whether to go this path or not, like, as in, like, should I do this, should I be rebellious, should I, like, maybe accept this or not, I don't know. But with the Star here, I see you should, like, you have to, in fact. So if this resonated, let's see what do the next 15 days hold for you. Next 15 days for Scorpios, let's see. Two of Chalices. Interesting. The Wheel of Fortune. Seven of Wands. Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and the Tower. So I think your situation is calling for you to become a little more responsible. You want your life, as I said, you might be missing your childhood. Like you would want your life to be carefree, but there comes a time in your life where you have to take responsibilities. I see old people, I see conflict around the situation. However, I see that you want to be in light-hearted energies, but you cannot. Like maybe you want to go out and meet people and you're not being able to do that. I also see that maybe you have a love interest and you're not being able to meet that person. Okay? The situation is asking you to be a little calm, because that is the only possible way in this situation. Even the love interest that you have is a gamble. I see the Wheel of Fortune there. You're being asked to resist that because it's not something that you think it is. Because you will be in pain actually if you really give this thing too much of importance. So, see, right now the thing is about choices. There is a time for everything in life, and maybe right now what you're focusing on is not the time for that. What you need to focus on is something else. Focus should be on saying something. It's about a talk that needs to happen, which is from your end. And in the next 15 days, I see you will be, if you don't do this talking, you will again keep repeating the same mistakes over and over again. So you need to stop doing that. I mean, it's up to you if you want to stop, because that's what it is like. Let's see what is the advice for you here. What is the advice for you? Intuition. I have lots of cards. Move out of something that is challenging. Basically, it's not a path that is meant for you. You have to listen to what your heart is telling you and like come with a sword and express this is what you want. If you don't do that, you will not get what you want. Okay? You know already in your heart and in your mind that this situation is not working for you. And if you still don't take a stand, then you will just ruin it for yourself. Okay? And I'm just seeing that it becomes more and more tough with each passing day. So it's not helping you in any way. Okay? This path is broken and it's over. You have to leave it. And inside you already probably know. You already know that it is not working out. So I don't know why would you even stick to this. But yeah, it's a very complicated energy in your case, I see. But it's all in your hands if you do it. If you don't, then it's tough. Okay, Scorpios? So that's what I see for your reading, guys. Quite a tough time, but looks you can change it if you want to. But that's again if you want to. So that is what I have for you guys. I hope this reading resonated. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have two pages for on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So if you believe in Reiki healing, Reiki healing and crystal healing, you can go to that page and check that out as well. And thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Take care. Bye.